the weekend, and we accidentally made a wrong and ended up in
the hood.
The hood. I mean, like crack houses, like the hood.
You don't say crack house.
Okay.
You say trap house.
Trap house.
So big RV.
Backing up. These turns are sharp and they go into a ditch on either side. Okay, let me check the map. We're still backing up. We're just trying to figure out a spot where we can turn. And also, what's our gas situation?
We're on past E.
We're past E.
Past empty.
Past empty. Yeah. So
This is gonna suck. Look, I'm coming slimy. A tow truck can't tow a truck and a trailer.
no, a tow truck. We wouldn't need a tow truck. Is that a tree house?
Yeah, it's clubhouse.
Oh God, we're making this?
This one should
Now we're hitting a what?
I think the air conditioner might have hit it. Yeah, I'll get tape.
Okay, we made it out. Lots of crazy sharp turns.
Mom was holding on to me.
I think the trailer at one point hit like a 45-degree angle and we almost lost it.
I thought it was gonna roll over.
But Dad's cool.
Just gas it.
Take the next right onto North Freeway Service Road.
Gotta run it and gun it. I think that's the only thing that really kept us out of the ditch was
My heart's still beating.
right when the trailer started to go into the ditch full throttle. And I didn't have time to tip over.
That's the tip
Dude,
from my dad.
like shaking.
Same.
That was the business.
And with all of that, our gas, I was thinking we're gonna be stuck by all those
Trap houses.
trap houses waiting for AAA to come with gas.
AAA ain't gonna go there.
No.
Nope.
If you really think about it, if you order a tow truck, well, not order.
That's one of those places that if you flip, your truck becomes part of the land. And you just leave it. But
Watch this.
Those are the rims.
Tornadoes.
Miniature golf. It's miniature golf. Always see a corn maze.
I just saw a circus, Mom. Mommy, can we miss you?
No.
two big gusties.
Best. Are we here?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This is it, Mason. Dang.
Just checked into KOA Galveston Island. We're just here for one night, then we go over to Jamaica Beach RV Resort tomorrow for 2 nights. Going to the lazy river or the pool?
We're gonna play the family bingo.
That already happened.
What? You lying.
No, it was from 6 to 7.
What time is it?
Oh, the lazy river's over here.
Right when this whole thing started.
We are leaving Galveston Island KOA and going to Jamaica Beach RV Resort.
Jamaica!
It's just a quick little drive down the street, so we're letting Mason ride right here, and the girls are all the way in the back in the trailer.
It's Jamaica Beach, Galveston.
Oh, okay.
Because everything in that area.
Okay, guys, so we are in the trailer right now.
Again.
And yes.
Not trying to move like crazy.
Yes, so we are moving
They got milk chocolate.
inside of the trailer.
We arrived at Jamaica Beach RV Resort. All the offices are upstairs, I guess, because of flooding. We're gonna go drive by our site early and see if the person checked out. See if we can get in. Oh, there's the Rainforest ride we're gonna go on.
Mason, what happened, bro? Did the Smurf hit you? No, it looks like Papa Smurf punched you in the face. Don't.
No, it's this blue.
And then he goes and wipes it on his shirt.
We are doing, oh my goodness, my boy, let me see. How was your ice cream?
Good.
Yeah. We are doing the Rainforest Cafe, I think it's called Adventure ride.
Oh yeah, Mom, that ice cream is bussin'.
Bussin'? What's bussin'?
It's on TikTok.
Oh,
Amazing.
It's a new word.
okay.
Mom, I'm gonna
Should we clean up our son?
ready?
No.
And Jumanji.
That's what the ride looks like. What? She said?
She said when you're ready, go up front, go through the doors to the cave on the left. Go, Mason. The Chickawalla Cafe. Chickawalla Cafe.
Mason got a little scared, but he'll be okay.
the waterfall. This is where all the secrets have been revealed.
Oh, I did get wet.
Oh, look at the snake. And look at the pink eye. I mean, third eye. The third eye.
Oh my god! And we're done. Ow!
Hey, now it's full-handed.
That hurt.
Are you kidding? I heard you purr. It went whap. You're like,
That snake got me wet.
dude, I want my bedroom to be decorated like this on the wall. It just feels cool.
Okay, that was it. How'd you guys like it?
Amazing.
Kayla, you're gonna get pink eye. You keep touching frogs.
But me and Brooklyn were like, we kept on checking the water.
You were a little scared? Checking the water for what? A real alligator?
Fishies.
Fish? Like they're gonna jump out and bite you? Like some piranha?
Yeah.
Going back to camp?
Now we know.
Either we'll do the pool at the campground on Lazy River or we'll take the golf cart down to Jamaica Beach.
Beach.